Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the WhatsApp Messenger app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. WhatsApp Messenger is a free, cross-platform communication app that allows users to send text messages, make voice and video calls, and share media files instantly. Owned by Meta, formerly Facebook, WhatsApp has become one of the world's most popular messaging platforms, connecting billions of users globally. It's available on iOS, Android, and web browsers through WhatsApp Web. The app's main feature is its end-to-end encryption, which ensures that messages and calls stay private between the sender and receiver. WhatsApp also supports group chats, status updates, voice notes, and file sharing for both personal and business use. With WhatsApp Business, small companies can connect with customers, send updates, and manage support chats efficiently. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate WhatsApp's fast performance, simple interface, and secure messaging. Its seamless syncing across mobile and desktop makes it ideal for both everyday communication and professional use. However, some users have expressed concerns about data privacy under Meta ownership and occasional connection or backup issues. In summary, the WhatsApp Messenger app may be worth using if you're looking for a reliable, secure, and user-friendly platform for global communication. However, if you're cautious about privacy policies or prefer more anonymity, you might explore alternatives like Signal or Telegram. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.